Hello everybody and welcome to my Penny Go Boom. If you like what I'm doing here, please subscribe to my channel, clicking the subscribe button below, and tweet us on Twitter at mypennygoboom. So today we're going to be taking a look at FITX, Creative Edge Nutrition. They're one of the companies who's trying to break through into the marijuana industry. They're trying to retain a license from Health Canada to go ahead and grow and hopefully operate as the largest grower of marijuana in Canada. Anyway, so each one of these candles here represents 1 day of price action. Okay. So today here you can see that we have this nice green candle, and if you were following us on Twitter a couple days ago on the 23rd, I did in fact alert this as a buy alert. So you can see here I drew this line here, this downtrend line, that was this bottom support line a while back, and it came up here through. So I was waiting to see when a good time to buy in was, and the price the 5 had fallen, was starting to come down, and it did bounce off my support line here at 0474, sorry, and it did bounce off of here. Each day has been going up. Every single day here it's been going up, and for the first time today the 5-day is looks like it's starting to cross over the 10-day simple moving average, which usually indicates a short to medium term uptrend. You can see here as an example, when the 5 crossed over the 10, the price went up. When you see here, when the price goes back up over here through the 5, starts to crawl back up through the 10, the price goes up, and when it falls below, it goes down. So currently it's coming on up here. Now this line here represents the 50-day simple moving average. So you can see that the price is starting to approach it. I would say if you are in the stock from here, please don't forget to take profits on your way up. This is usually a good area to take some profits. If you are off the table as many times, the price will come up and either it'll punch through it or it'll come back down. As an example, you can see here this came close up to it and then it came down. Then again over here it came up and touched the 50-day simple moving average and it came down. So right now we're starting to trend up. Will it pop up through here through the 50-day simple moving average and confirm this as an uptrend? If you're holding, sure, you sure hope so. So again, let's draw some support lines here. Let's see where there's some supports. So I see the first one here is pretty obvious. It's jumping out to me is right around, I want to say we can write it right here at around 5. Let's call it 512. Again, plus or minus a little bit, but 512. And the next resistance that we have coming up here through looks to be right around 0507, because again it's it's acted as a support and resistance in the past year. So let's go ahead and make this red. This is a resistance we need to go through, and then the next resistance, right next to it. I mean, we could even have said that it was just a 50-day simple moving average, which is at 0.0568 cents. So again, right now the chart's currently it's looking pretty good. This has always been a pretty liquid stock for liquidity. It's going to need some volume though to really push it through this 50-day simple moving average. Maybe nothing like this, but maybe if we can get something, maybe something like this right here on this day where we did 50 million, 60 million in volume. The MACD, though it is below the 0 line, you can see it is creeping up, and it's staying above here. So as long as this can continue to stay up above and kind of go on this uptrend through the 0 line, then this indicates that the stock's in an uptrend currently. Again, this is my analysis video on FITX. If you like what I'm doing, please follow us on Twitter. Again, our members were alerted on this stock on the 23rd of this month when I tweeted it out, and you could have made a nice little profit here from, if you got in here at the very bottom from 0407 and you sold today, you could have got out at 05. So it's a nice little profit you could have made there. So make sure you tweet us and follow us, and we'll see what this chart does tomorrow. Thanks so much, and we'll see you next time.